Hey everyone. So first I want to apologize for the lighting. The light bulb went out right here. My husband's mowing and I can't find the light bulbs. So maybe between this part and the next I will have my light back. So I'm going to make a grilled chicken and watermelon salad, and let me shut the door. I don't think that helped at all. Okay. So I'm going to marinate the chicken, and I'm doing chicken breast tenders, organic, farm-raised chicken. So got some balsamic vinegar. And then I have this Spanish olive oil I thought I would try. You can use any kind of oil you want. And then I will use these same ingredients for my salad dressing, just so I have that flavor going through. And then I ground some black pepper because I got tired of that pepper meal, so I'll put a little bit pepper in there. I have my emergency LED light lantern thing trying to help. And then some garlic salt and some onion powder. And then what kind of salt do I want to use? I will try this Murray River pink salt. And I won't use too much because I used the garlic salt. This kind of reminds me of the gray salt, the French gray salt. So I'm going to mix that around. Then I'm going to get my chicken. Just dump your chicken in the marinade. This one has a lot more. The last package had 6 tenders in it, and I was a little annoyed. So I didn't get dinner that night. I made it for my husband. He needed lunch for the next day as well. Sorry, I wanted to wash that chicken off my hands. And then close your baggie. And just get that all in there. And you can taste that if you want before you put your chicken in there, but I've done it so many times. So yeah. And I'll just get my cruet and make some dressing for the salad. And I'll be back when we're cooking this and putting the salad together. Hope you all are having a great day. We're trying to get everything mowed and semi-cleaned up before the next storm comes in. I'm over the rain. I'm over it. I'm over it. I'm over it. I hope you all are staying safe with the tornadoes and all that. It's been quite the year. My husband said he's never seen this much rain. He was born here, so I know since I've lived here, I've not seen weather like this, and the mosquitoes are just insane, so I'm paranoid of getting sick. And I've been treating my dogs with Advantix. Yeah, just cray cray. Cray cray weather. So I will be back when we're doing some more. Okay, so now I'm going to cook off these chicken tenders. I would grill them, but the weather's just gonna get nasty. So these already have been marinating in oil, so I'm not going to add oil to the pan. Oh, I thought it was hotter. I thought it was. Feels hot. And then when I get these cooked off, we'll prep our salad fixings. That balsamic vinegar isn't a very pretty color. And then I've already made my dressing. And it's the same ingredients, or you can use, I really like the Good Seasons Italian dressings. I think they have other ones too. Used to, you'd get that cruet when you bought the salad mix, but I've not seen that in years. We ate the Italian a lot growing up. We had a lot of salad growing up in California. I liked it. And then in the summer I like salads, but it's just been so gross lately. I feel like damp to my bones. Do y'all know what I mean? I just feel gross to my bones. Everything feels soggy. The whole world is just soggy right now. So I've turned this all the way up because I don't want all those juices in there. See, this one came with 8 and the other one had 6. That's just weird. I feel ripped off. So I did fried chicken fingers one night. And my hubby had 3 for dinner and I gave him 3 for his lunch. I didn't get any. Tomorrow I'm going to do fish, fried fish. I might record that. I haven't been able to find soda water anywhere, and I know they sell it because people use it for their cocktails. Oh, you can't see a thing, and I'm just rattling on. You wipe your face off. I'm sorry. You got a facial for free. So yeah, I haven't been able to find club soda, so I got some Pellegrino. And I have some Perrier, so better than nothing. Maybe go the opposite direction. Okay, and that's what I wanted. It's all that juice to cook away. I kind of want to dry sear these. I want them juicy on the inside, but not so runny on the outside since they're going on the salad. And I always make enough dinner for him to take to lunch the next day. And if you don't like this color, you can always use the white balsamic. if you're all about that presentation, but nothing a little parsley won't fix. I'm going to add a little bit of our salt. I just love this stuff. Reminds me of fleur de sel, the gray French salt. It looks shaved. It's a really nice finishing salt. It melts right into the food. I have my salt and pepper collections. If you've never tried smoked salt on watermelon, I know it sounds crazy, but take my word, try it. I have this smoked salt that's really good on watermelon. I just tried it for shits and giggles, basically. Excuse the language. And I liked it. It was good. That's what I wanted, that color right there. And these will be done here in a second. These tenderloins are kind of like fish. They cook really fast. And then I will set these off to the side. I do have it all the way on high heat because I wanted to get that on the outside since I wasn't able to grill. And we're good to go. These are done. I'll take these off the heat. I'm just going to set these aside. I'll get our watermelon and everything else ready. So now we're going to assemble our salad. I've cleaned all my veg. Trim off the ends. Compost. I'm just going to cut my lettuce. Still a little wet. Put that on the plate. We did a little taste of the chicken, and hubby said it was some mighty fine chicken, very moist. Going to take an onion. I normally use red onion, but I don't have any, so we're going to use white. There's a fly in here. It's making me crazy. Bella, come get the fly. Sprinkle that. There's a fly in here, Belle. Bella is quite the hunter. And now we are going to tackle watermelon. Just cut slices. It. I've been thinking about a lot of YouTubers lately. We've had a lot of them pass away. Some very unexpectedly, some very young. Sad. Turn it around. I'm sure my dogs would like some watermelon tonight. very seedless. And then I'm going to get my chicken. Guess I can move this. The chicken. Put it around pretty. And get some feta cheese. Sprinkle that around. And then our dressing. And you can add some croutons. And there it is, you guys. You can put some croutons or crunchy onions, whatever you like, on your salad. Healthy, nice summer salad. So if you have any questions, post them down below, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye.